Well, Rick, thank you so much for joining us here at the beautiful IOT Salem campus. Tell me a little bit about the history of this place.
The Institute of Technology has a strong legacy of offering career-focused education. We've been doing it about 40 years. So we opened the Salem campus to address the needs of students in the area as well as demands of employers for skilled medical professionals. And the students are going to have just one day on campus. And then they'll go into a clinical setting as well, local hospitals and other facilities. And then the rest of the time, they'll do the didactic work from home at their leisure.
That's really cool. That seems like it's really geared towards people who are, maybe already working or have busy families.
I think it's fantastic. We especially have a need with students that travel some distance to our school. Some might travel 40, 50 miles one way to attend these programs. So they can do a lot of their work at home. It's going to reduce their travel time and make it possible for them to tend to other things that we know they have as responsibilities.
Let's talk about the programs offered here at IOT Salem.
We offer a practical nursing interactive distance learning program, and we also offer a professional medical assistant interactive distance learning program as well.
How do the programs help prepare students for that real-world experience?
We want to make sure that they're all educationally qualified to either get their national certification as a medical assistant or their license as a practical nurse and can practice being an LPN out in the field. We really just are preparing you to be a well-rounded employee.
So Patrick, I want to know more about the AI component and how that kind of works into the program and prepares students for what they're going to encounter in the real world.
It takes a lot of money to onboard an employee to come work for you, especially in the healthcare industry, right? So we provide training for highly skilled healthcare professionals for the entry level so that they can be effective when they get to the employer. IOT Salem contribute a lot of economic development in the Salem area because the sheer force of students that we have.
Our desire is for them to leave here ready to go to work. And honestly, our goal is that we want these students to find careers that they love.
So Lindsay, if people are interested in the program, what would be step one? How do they get started?
Call me. You can submit an inquiry request online, and so we can work together as a team to figure out if IOT is going to be the best college for you to go to pursue your career goals.